You've picked your GPU, your CPU, but the case? It's the foundation of your entire build. And most of them are a nightmare of sharp edges, terrible airflow, and cables you can't possibly manage. We've built in, thermal tested, and cable managed in the most popular cases of the year. We found the 5 that are a genuine joy to build in. One case has a feature so smart, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. All product links for your buy are in the video description. Let's find your PC's perfect home. Starting at number 1. Fractal Design North XL PC Case. I will admit I am a sucker for wood and technology. There is something unique about it that cannot be replicated by anything a machine can produce. This is one reason I was so excited to dive into the Fractal Design North XL case and see how it compares to alternative offerings in the market. With its unique blend of natural materials and sleek design elements, it offers a refreshing take on the traditional gaming PC case. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Fractal Design North XL PC case gives off a sense of sophistication and elegance that seamlessly integrates into any living space. While the North XL may be a striking case, it still manages to have all the features we have come to expect from a modern PC. It features generous dimensions, 20 by 9.4 by 20 inches, that provide ample room for even the most ostentatious builds, accommodating EATX motherboards and graphics cards up to an impressive 413 mm in length. This expanded form factor is a significant upgrade from the original North, catering to enthusiasts who demand the latest and greatest components without compromising on aesthetics. Once everything was hooked up and ready to go, I was surprised just how easy the case was to get up and running. The design is clearly the biggest selling point of the North XL. It does not mean Fractal Design sacrificed functionality for aesthetics. The front I/O panel boasts a USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C port, 2 USB 3.0 Type-A ports, and separate audio and microphone jacks, ensuring seamless connectivity with modern peripherals. Number 2. MSI MPG Velox 300R Airflow PZ. The MSI MPG Velox 300R Airflow PZ is the epitome of the modern approach to PC cases, combining unique style with functional flair. This mid-tower case has been carefully designed to optimize thermal performance and ease of assembly. MSI's focus on airflow is evident in its support for up to 13 fans, including 2 160mm dual-layer blade fans that create a concentrated tornado funnel effect to maximize heat dissipation. Its compatibility with 3 360mm radiators and full water cooling setups makes it ideal for overclockers and high-performance builds. The case's thoughtful design extends to practical features such as back-connect motherboard support, removable brackets, and a sleek, minimalist aesthetic that fits seamlessly into any gaming or professional setup. It's a great choice for both AMD and Intel builds, offering plenty of clearance for even the largest GPUs available, including oversized models like the MSI GeForce RTX 5090 SUPREM Liquid. There's still ample space to work and keep things looking clean, all while maintaining smooth airflow to ensure your components stay cool and ready for anything you throw at them. Designed with aesthetics and functionality in mind, the Velox 300R Airflow PZ offers a premium experience for builders seeking a balance of style, cooling efficiency, and user-focused features. Its support for advanced cooling configurations, combined with MSI's signature ease of installation, makes it a standout choice for 2025. With everything it offers, we included it as one of the top contenders in our best PC cases of 2025, demonstrating how modern enclosures are elevating the entire PC building experience, delivering a great-looking case that complements even the most demanding systems. Number 3. Darkbase 701 PC Case. The Darkbase 701 series case from manufacturer Be Quiet offers a beautiful, clean aesthetic, plenty of room for component installation, and provides excellent airflow options for PC enthusiasts. Built to maximize airflow and performance, the 701 comes stock with 3 Silent Wings 4140M PWM fans, a PWM and ARGB hub for easy installation, and both ARGB and fan controls built into the chassis for easy system management. With smart design options and excellent accessories to accommodate a host of build options, the Darkbase 701 aims to be the perfect case for your next PC build. On the note of cable management, Be Quiet has worked in some fairly robust wire trays to help direct and clean up the cabling on the back of the system. Tying down cables is exceptionally easy, and with the inclusion of branded cable ties, it ends up looking great as well. I only have one small critique and one suggestion for the design. Number 4. Corsair 6500X PC Case. As someone who reviews hardware constantly, it is rare I find a single item that truly impresses me, but the Corsair 6500X PC case managed to be something special. The pursuit of the perfect PC case is a never-ending journey for most enthusiasts. We want ample room for beefy graphics cards, especially considering they seem to get bigger every year, exceptional cooling performance, clean cable management, low noise levels, and striking aesthetics. Often, we must sacrifice one or more of these desires when choosing a case. The 6500X brings plenty of space to spec out your new build any way you want. There is ample room for a range of fans, AIO coolers, or full water cooling if you so desire. We kept things simple for the build, using an MSI MPG 360mm AIO cooler and the typical assortment of case fans to keep things running smoothly, even during benchmarking. The space the Corsair 6500X affords made dropping in everything incredibly simple, with even the normally tedious task of getting everything looking nice while also keeping things running smoothly without a hitch. Number 5. NZXT H7 Flow RGB. When we unboxed the H7 Flow RGB after Computex 2024, the first thing we noticed was its redesigned front panel. Gone is the cheese grater-like appearance of the 2022 model, replaced by a more refined mesh design that still prioritizes airflow but gives the overall more modern feel. The iconic NZXT design features managed to make a return at the bottom of the front panel, giving the case a distinctive look that fans of the brand will appreciate and that will look fantastic once everything is put together. When compared to other mid-tower cases in its price range, the NZXT H7 Flow RGB 2024 holds its own. Its thermal performance is impressive, with our testing showing it to be among the top performers in CPU cooling. GPU temperatures are also competitive, thanks in part to the potential for bottom-mounted fans. But what makes it so impressive is how quiet it all is, even with everything running. I was shocked at how well H7 Flow RGB manages noise while keeping everything cool, something that is a must for anyone ever considering overclocking. So, which foundation will your dream build stand on? The choice is yours. If this guide saved you from a building headache, do us a huge favor and hit that like button. Share this with anyone in your life who's thinking about building a PC. And subscribe and hit the bell, because next week, we're revealing the one RGB lighting brand that consistently fails. The results are shocking. Stay tuned.